Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make hot chocolate on an espresso machine. First, gather your ingredients: quality chocolate, your preferred milk, and any desired sweetener. Using good chocolate makes a big difference in taste. Also, ensure your espresso machine is clean and preheated, ready for steaming. This simple method will yield a delicious, creamy hot chocolate quickly. Next, let's prepare the chocolate. Chop your favorite chocolate bar into very small pieces. This helps it melt smoothly and quickly. Place these small chocolate pieces directly into your heat-proof serving mug. If you like your hot chocolate sweeter, now is the time to add a bit of sugar, maple syrup, or another sweetener to the mug with the chocolate. Now for the milk. Pour cold milk into your espresso machine's steaming pitcher. Insert the steam wand just below the surface, creating a gentle swirl. Steam the milk until it reaches about 150 degrees Fahrenheit or until the pitcher is too hot to comfortably touch. You want a smooth, velvety microfoam, not large, airy bubbles, for the perfect texture. Finally, it's time to combine everything. Carefully pour the hot, steamed milk directly over the chocolate and sweetener in your mug. Stir gently with a spoon until all the chocolate has completely melted and is fully incorporated into the milk, creating a rich, uniform color. For an extra treat, add whipped cream or chocolate shavings on top before serving. Enjoy your easy, delicious hot chocolate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.